Okay guys, today we're going to learn about two-digit subtraction without regrouping. So we've learned all about addition with two-digit numbers. Now we're going to learn about how to subtract or take away. And we have some fun activities from Miss Snyder again. All right, today we are learning how to subtract two-digit numbers without regrouping. Our standard is still the same because it says add and subtract within 1,000. All right, and we will still use models, drawings, and strategies based on place value. And then we will eventually move into three-digit numbers. We will focus on looking at your hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. And then we will finally learn how to regroup in a couple of weeks. All right, Miss Snyder made 86 cupcakes for all of the second graders to eat at lunch. 24 students ate cupcakes so far. How many cupcakes are left? All right, boys and girls, what question do we need to answer? We need to know how many cupcakes are left. We started with 86. Some went away. 24 are gone because someone ate them. So if we subtract, we should find out how many cupcakes are left. All right, first, let's represent the 86 cupcakes in base 10 blocks. 86 is what, guys? 8 tens and 6 ones. 8 tens and 6 ones. Now let's write it over here. 86, 8 tens, and 6 ones. Okay, so 24 students ate the cupcakes, and we need to know how many are left over. So let's take away 24. That's 2 tens and 4 ones. So how can we do that, guys? We always start in the ones place, just like addition. So we start in the ones. We have 6. We take away how many? 4. So let's take away 4 ones. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left, boys and girls? 2. So we put 2 as our answer. Yes, 6 minus 4 equals 2. Now let's subtract the tens place. So we have 8 tens. How many are we going to take away? 2. We need to take away 2. Let's count them. 1, 2. How many tens are left? 6. So we have 6 tens left. 8 minus 2 equals 6. So you did it, guys. How many cupcakes are left? 62. 62. Very good. You did it. You solved the problem. Miss Snyder made 86 cupcakes. 24 were eaten, so she still has 62 cupcakes to hand out to the other second graders. Team Awesome. Yay! High five from Miss Snyder. Now let's watch this video and then we can practice doing some more.
Subtract 13 blocks. There are 34 blocks. We subtract 13 blocks. Let's start by subtracting the ones. 4 ones minus 3 ones equals 1 1. Next, subtract the tens. 3 tens minus 1 10 equals 2 tens. There are 21 blocks left. 34 minus 13 equals 21. Subtract 25 blocks. There are 48 blocks. We subtract 25 blocks. Start by subtracting the ones. 8 ones minus 5 ones equals 3 ones. Next, subtract the tens. 4 tens minus 2 tens equals 2 tens. There are 23 blocks left. 48 minus 25 equals 23. Subtract. We need to find 36 minus 25. Let's start by subtracting the ones. 6 ones minus 5 ones equals 1 1. Next, subtract the tens. 3 tens minus 2 tens equals 1 10. 36 minus 25 equals 11.
Okay. Now let's continue. All right, we have 45 minus 31. All right, 45 is 4 tens and 5 ones. All right, to subtract, we start in the ones. 5 minus 1. We cross out 1. How many are left, boys and girls? 1, 2, 3, 4. What's our answer? 4 ones. Now we go to our tens column. 4 minus 3. How many tens do we cross out? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 1. So our answer is what? 14. All right, our next one. 86 minus 24. 86 is 8 tens and 6 ones. Now we're going to take away 24. All right, we always start in our ones place. So we have 6. How many are we going to take away? 4. So let's X out 4. Ready? 1. We X out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do we have left? 1, 2. So what's our answer here? 2. And then 8 minus 2. How many are we going to cross out? 2. 1, 2. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 62. All right.
In this deck, we will be subtracting two-digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping just means that we don't need to borrow any tens and bring them to the ones. We'll learn about that another day. In this problem, we see 98 minus 43. For example, if I had 98 cupcakes and I gave 43 away, I would want to know how many cupcakes I had left. Okay, so to solve this problem, we always start on the right. We always start in the ones place. So here I have 8 ones, and I'm going to take 3 away. Okay, you can use this work mat over here to help you find your answer. So here there are 8 ones, and we're going to take 3 of them away. So I'm going to take my 3 ones away to the takeaway box down here. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, how many ones are left over? There's 5 ones left over. And I know that's correct because 8 minus 3 is 5. Now we can go ahead and subtract our tens. We have 9 tens and we need to take away 4. So here's 9 tens and we're going to take away 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many tens do I have left? Correct. I have 5 tens left. And I know that's correct because 9 minus 4 is 5. So 98 minus 43 equals 55. You're going to complete that same process on the next 19 cards. Good luck. I know you'll do great. In this deck, we will be
Sorry guys, I'm supposed to trying to go to the next slide. Okay, now you're going to have a set that you are going to practice with, just like Miss Schneider, attached to your lesson. So I will attach those for you to practice with. We'll continue to practice tomorrow as well with this set and on into next week. All right, also, you are going to need a new packet. It is your two-digit subtraction packet. And at the top, it is going to say, Miss Fires has the wrong one. It should say no regrouping. And Miss Spires pause and get the right one. Alright guys, Miss Spires has the right packet now. Alright, so you have your froggy at the bottom. You've had a couple of these packets before. It says two-digit subtraction, no regrouping. Two-digit subtraction, no regrouping at the top. The first problem on the page is 54 minus 32. All right, so find that packet. Pause the video and find your packet. All right. Now, we learned a few things from Miss Schneider. Okay, just like with addition, we start on the right. She says start on the right. So, even with subtraction, we're going to start on the right. Remember, you can draw your line to separate your tens from your ones, if you would like. All right, if that helps you stay organized. All right, so we're always going to start in our ones place. We are subtracting or taking away. You have the big set. We're going to take from the big set, take away from it. So we have the big amount. We're going to take away from it our answer, or difference is going to be smaller. So our answer should be smaller. All right, 54 minus 32. 4 minus 2 is 2. We're taking away. 5 minus 3 is also 2. All right, remember, guys, you can use any of your strategies to help you subtract. You can use your number line. You can count on if you need to turn it around into an addition problem to count on, or you can just count back. All right, 35 minus 22. Start in your ones column. Start on the right. 5 minus 2. So 5, 4, 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Our answer is 13. $57 minus 13. Start in your ones column. 7 minus 3. You can count back. 7 in your head. 7, 6, 5, 4. Five minus 1 is 4. 44. 28 minus 20. Start on your ones column. 8 minus 0. Now remember that 0 is kind of like a grape. You can just pop it in your mouth. It's nothing. So we bring down our 8. And then 2 minus 2. We have 2, but we take away both of them. We have 0, guys. If you have a 0 here in the last digit, you do not have to put it in. That's 8. We don't have to have 0, 8. We can just have 8. All right, second row. I'm going to divide my 10s from my 1s. All right, 36 minus 23. 6 minus 3. 6 in your head. 5, 4, 3. My difference is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. My answer is 13. $17 minus 10. Start on your 1. Start on the right. 7 minus 0 is 7. Remember, it's like a grape. You can eat it and pull down what's left. 7. All right. 1 minus 1. I have 1, but I take it away. Have nothing left. All right, so you could put the 0 there, but we don't need it as a placeholder, so we can leave it off. 66 minus 41. Start on the right. 6 minus 1. 5. Count back 1 makes it 5. 6 minus 4. All right, I have 4 on my fingers. 6 in my head. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 25. 98 minus 35. 8 minus 5 in the ones place. All right, I got 5. Let's start with 8 in our heads. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So my difference is 3 in the ones place. 9 minus 3. All right, 9 in my head. 8, 7, 6. My answer is 63. All right, this bottom row, you are going to finish. You can go ahead and divide your 10s from your 1. I'm going to let you finish it. At the top, we're going to put today's date, 3-18-21. And that's today's date. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 of these today. And then you can practice the boom cards with Miss Schneider's activity. All right, we're going to do one more as your ticket to do your boom cards. And these last 4 problems. All right, we're going to do Froggy's bonus. Are you ready? I'm going to move up from the date. All right, here we go. Miss Nelson baked 58 cookies last weekend. She gave 24 cookies to her children. How many cookies did Miss Nelson have left? All right, guys. What does the question tell us that gives it away that we are subtracting? All right, it says how many does she have left? That means some went away. Or it also says that she gave. When you give, you have less. All right, so she started with 58 and she gave 24. So what's my big number? 58. It goes on top. All right, she gave 24. So we're going to subtract or minus the 24. And we will know how many she has left. All right, so 8 minus 4. All right, 8 in your head. Count back. 8 in my head. 7, 6, 5, 4. 5 minus 2. 5 in my head. Count back 2. 5, 4, 3. All right, how many cookies does she have left? 34. So I'm going to write 34 cookies. She has 34 cookies left. 34 cookies left. Okay, boys and girls, finish up these last 4 and enjoy your boom cards today. Have fun learning.